Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today we're taking this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 Platinum. The exterior color is carbonized gray, and under the hood is a 5-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side, we have 19-inch aluminum wheels with Goodyear tires, as well as chrome handles and chrome mirror caps. This 2020 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with a first-hand system and automatic drop-down. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control option to the left and a median hatchery option on the right, which is developing a rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking forward, you can see this 2021 F-150 Platinum has 79,359 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, you'll see options available such as our audio, climate control, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below being climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating of the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 Platinum, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.